LanaMor here. I'm back with another video. This week's video is going to be a favorites video. Get into this video. Let's start it with the eye products. So the first eye products I have are these Morphe brushes. I love these brushes, y'all. Like, I love these brushes to the point where I'm like this close to switching out all my brushes. Not my Ulta ones. Like all my old brushes that I've used, like purchased in the past, and replace them with these. Like, these brushes are so amazing. Like the bristles, I really love them, how they blend. So like the Morphe M510 and the M504 and the M432, I can't think of the price in my head, but like I said, I will put the prices on the screen so you guys can see what they are. So the next eye product related is this NYX Full Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade Beige. I use this to clean up my eyebrows. I use it on my face a little bit, but I haven't used it on my face a lot, if that makes sense. I use it on my eyebrows more. So this is definitely my top favorite for my eyebrows. Again, I'll have the price points on the screen. The next one, I could just tell you this price point because I know this one by heart. This is the LA Colors 3 eye color eyeshadow palette in the shade Sunflower. This is like, oh my gosh, like my favorite palette from them. It's so pigmented. Like, if you want to know how pigmented this is, check out my Instagram and then check out my last video, the Get to Know Me tag. The eye look I wore, I used this color in the middle. Y'all, amazing. Moving on to the next category is actually the lip color I'm wearing, and it's my lip combo actually that I have on. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm sweating. Whew. Fix it, Jesus. Anyway, the next colors are this High Shine lip gloss. I actually got this from Forever 21, and it's in the shade Taupe. It was actually in the front of my Forever 21. It was actually in the front towards the checkout line. I was like, ooh, I need a lip gloss. So sometimes I don't like wearing lipstick all the time. Sometimes I just want to put on a lip gloss and just like kind of call it a day. So sometimes this is easier to reapply than a lipstick because then I feel like I gotta put liner and it's just too much. So, however, I do have this on top of my lipstick, which is this Maybelline Nude Embrace. I showed this lipstick in my Chit Chat Get Ready With Me. And the lip liner by NYX, it's in the shade Brown. I don't think I showed it, but I showed myself applying it. So I do have a video with this just by itself on its own. So if you want to check out that video so you can kind of see what the product looks like without a gloss. Because it is a matte lipstick and you may want to just see it matte. And also, one of my favorites is actually going to be face products. And the first face product I have, it is a brush, but I didn't want to put it in the eye category because technically it's for your face. So it's actually a brush by Ulta Beauty. This is another brush brand that I will literally replace all my brushes with and put them with Morphe and Ulta. Like, that's probably going to be my whole entire brush collection before this year is up. So this is their bronzer brush. I really love this. I'd be crazy if I didn't say this was my favorite. Is my current foundation I'm actually using, and I've been using this for the last year or so, and it is the Dermablend Professional Cover Cream Foundation, and also the powder, the setting powder in the shade Original. The shades I'm in, again, just to reiterate, is Cafe Brown and Golden Brown. These are a little pricey. Now, I could say everything in this favorites video is a little bit more affordable, but this gets a little pricey. I spend at least $80, I believe, to get all three of these products, which is not bad, I guess you could say, but it could get pricey, I'm saying, if you're getting like this plus everything else in this haul. You get what I'm saying? Not haul, favorites video. But you get my vibe. Like, that's when it can kind of get pricey. But it on its own, I mean, I guess you get what you pay for, honestly, and it really lasts really long. And as you can see, my skin, like, It looks really nice, and a little bit goes a long way. This foundation literally lasts me a whole year. I just recently... Well, wait. Stupid dog. Like, really? I am filming. Anyway. But, yeah, that... I literally just repurchased that this year. So, the last product, since this dog wants to be rude, is the African Black Soap Problem Skin Moisturizer with tamarind extract and tea tree oil, and it's clear and balanced blemished oily skin. So it's, I guess, for oily skin. And also, I got this from Target, and I believe their makeup person recommended it because we were looking for like a moisturizer, you know, to like moisturize the skin, my mom and I, because I got her into wearing makeup. Hi, Mom. And yeah, so like, y'all, I'm like literally almost out of this. Like, that's how much, you can tell I use this stuff, like literally. I would definitely repurchase this again. I actually put that on first before I put on my foundation, so that's why it I'm looking in the mirror, y'all, so y'all be like, why is she looking over there? So that's why it looks really like the way it looks. That was the end of my favorites. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and weren't annoyed too much by that dog. It's okay. I mean, he don't know I'm filming, I guess. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure also to turn on your post notifications and let me know what you think of this video down below in the comments. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!